Ever notice how a simple hug can leave you thinking about it way longer than it should? You walk away wondering if she felt anything, or if it was just another quick hello. Truth is, the moment doesn't end when the hug ends. The way you carry yourself inside that small window says more than any clever line ever will. Picture her stepping close and pulling you in. There's a vibe there. Not loud, not dramatic, just a quiet exchange that most people rush past. Your body language tells the story before your voice even shows up. A lot of guys panic or turn it into something casual and forgettable. That's where they lose the edge. Slow it down a little and stay centered, and you create a feeling that sticks longer than words. First thing is awareness. Pay attention to how she leans in. Is it quick and light, or does she stay a little longer? If there's warmth, don't rush to match it instantly. Take a short breath. Stay grounded. That pause shows confidence without you needing to prove anything. Then hug back with intention, not stiff, not overwhelming. Keep your arms steady and relaxed so it feels natural and secure. Avoid fidgeting or random movement. Calm energy feels stronger than forced excitement. Composure isn't about being distant, it's about being in control of yourself. When the hug ends, ease out instead of snapping away. Let the moment breathe for a second. Meet her eyes without rushing into a big reaction. Give a small smile after a beat, like you're fully present, not performing. That tiny delay builds curiosity, and people remember curiosity. Afterward, resist the urge to talk too much. Silence can carry weight if you let it. If you say something, keep it simple, like "good seeing you" said in a steady voice. Short words land deeper when your energy already speaks. Over time, she starts linking you with a certain feeling, calm, safe, a little mysterious. That's rare because most people try too hard to stand out. You don't need to chase attention when your presence already pulls it in. In a fast world, being still stands out more than noise. Next time she hugs you, treat it like a real moment, not just a routine gesture. Presence beats flash every single time. The memories people keep aren't always loud. They're the ones that felt real in the moment. Move like someone who's comfortable in silence, because that quiet confidence says enough. If this makes sense to you, then you're already thinking differently. Most guys overlook these small details, but you're learning how to leave a lasting impression without forcing anything.